Hello guys, today I want to show you how to fix your request not allowed, try again later, okay? This is an issue that sometimes appear inside ChatGPT when you're using it, okay? And there's actually different things that you can try. Sometimes when you're prompting especially something that is very complex, ChatGPT is going to consume a lot of computing resources and it's going to stop with your prompting, okay? So something that you can actually do is you can divide the prompt in two parts, okay, or in actually more parts, okay, and start guiding ChatGPT through these parts here. Okay, this is something that you can always try. Something that you can also try is, of course, you can rerun the prompt again, okay, so you can, when this error happens, you can click again on run, okay, to run the prompt again, and hopefully now it's not going to happen. Something that you want to try, or that you might also want to check, is to check your internet connection, okay, make sure that it's actually stable. All right. And if nothing like this works, it might be because you're actually running something that is, kind of illegal or kind of banned, and ChatGPT doesn't allow you to actually search for this or to prompt this. Okay. So I would actually recommend that you go to another, provider such as DeepSeek or Grok. Okay. Thank you so much, guys.